Hello everyone, I'm creating a flat wash and I'm doing it on top of my previous flat wash and using quinacridone burnt orange. So you mix your color with water and go from left to right and then right to left. That is the order we will maintain. And for the very first time when we are making this first streak, we will have to have a bead formation. So we will go on top of the first bead more than once so that we get this water bead formation just below. I have propped my paper on a 30-degree angle and now I am going from dipping my brush in the solution of paint and water and going from left to right and right to left. And when I am doing so, a part of my brush is touching the previous layer and a part of my brush is also touching the dry layer. Look here. Now I have loaded my brush and going from one end to the other, touching the previous bead and also going on to the drier section. Half of it is on the dry section, half of my brush is on the wet section, because I'm dragging the bead down as I'm doing this flat wash. And the bead has to be maintained at all costs so that we do not have any dry areas being formed. In a flat wash, we want a smooth flow of our color all throughout. So you can have it as this big or bigger than this as required. In case you want a bigger than this, then you will have to use a bigger brush. And once you are done till wherever you have to do, you need to get rid of the bead which is now at the end. What I will do is that once I am done with this line, I will soak up this extra paint on my brush using a tissue paper. I will soak it up on tissue paper and with the dry brush I will remove this bead so that it is not able to form any blooms when it dries, when this entire section dries. Once this is done, I can place my thing on a flat surface. It was propped up on an angle and now I'll let it dry like this.